Hi kids, welcome back to Fun Learning with Kanika. Today we are going to continue with our part 3 of chapter number 5 geometry for class 4. Right, this is chapter number 5 geometry. This is the last part of this chapter. Right, covering questions from 21 to 30. 21 to 30. Right, so let's start. Sunita has a field in the shape as shown below. How much wire is used to fence the field 3 times? Right, this is the shape of the field. Right, you have to find how much wire is used to fence the field 3 times. 3 times of the field. Right, perimeter of the field. First you will calculate the perimeter of the field. Perimeter of field. Perimeter of field is equal to, you have to add all these 11 centimeter plus 10 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 1 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 1 plus 1 plus 3. Right, it comes out to be 56 centimeter. 56 centimeter is the perimeter. Now we have to find how much wire is used to fence the field if it is 3 times of it. Length of wire used is 3 times of this. 56 into 3, it comes out to be 168 centimeter. The answer is option number A. Right, now coming on to question number 22. Man drew a figure as shown below. How many lines of symmetry does the given figure has? You have to draw the lines of symmetry. Right, we will draw the lines of symmetry in this way and this way to divide it into the equal parts. So how many lines are there? 1 and 2. It will require 2 lines of symmetry. Option C is correct. Now coming on to question number 23. Anjali cut a piece of paper into a shape with 6 sides, but none of them are of the same length. Then it must be a polygon, open figure, circle can't be determined. The right option is a polygon. It will be a polygon. Now question number 24. The perimeter of Rohan's painting frame and Priya's painting frame is same. The perimeter is same. This is Rohan's frame and this is Priya's frame. It is a rectangle and it is a square. The one side is 3 centimeter and of a square is 4 centimeter. What you have to find? What is the length of Rohan's frame? You have to find the length of Rohan's frame. Perimeter equal. Perimeter of Rohan's frame, it is a rectangle. So perimeter will be twice length plus breadth. And perimeter of Priya's perimeter is, it is a square. It will be 4 into side, comes out to be 4 into 4 is equal to 16 centimeter. The perimeter of both are equal. It is given. Then twice length plus breadth is equal to 16 centimeter. Putting the values, L length plus breadth is 3 centimeter. 16 by 2 is equal to 8 and L is equal to 8 minus 3 is equal to 5 centimeter. The length of Rohan's frame comes out to be 5 centimeter. Option A is correct. Right. Now moving on to question number 25. Anshika walks around rectangular park which is 100 meter long and 50 meter wide. What distance did she cover in going 8 times around this park? It is a rectangular park which is 100 meter long and 50 meter wide in width. It will be a rectangle. What distance she covers in going 8 times around the park? The perimeter will be twice length plus breadth. 50 centimeter is equal to 300 meter. Now 8 rounds. She took 8 rounds. 300 multiplied by 8 rounds is equal to 2400 meter. The right answer is 2400 meter. This is the option D is correct. Now question number 26. Read the following statements carefully and state T for true and F for false. The radius of a circle is less than its diameter. Is the radius is less than diameter? No. Diameter is more than the radius. Is less. Yes, the radius of a circle is less than diameter. Diameter is more, radius is less. The diameter is equal to twice of radius. So radius of a circle is always less. This is true. This is true. If perimeter of a square is 84 centimeter, then its sides of its length 23 centimeter. Right, perimeter of a square 84, 4 into side is equal to 84 centimeter. Side is equal to the side will come out to be 84 divided by 4 is equal to 21 centimeter, which is not equal to 23 centimeter. So this is false. Now third, square is a four-sided polygon. True. Square is a four-sided polygon. This is true. Fourth, in the net of a cube there are 6 identical squares. True. Yes, when it is opened up it will have 6 identical squares. This is true. Now for 26, option A is correct. Now 27, question. Fill in the blanks and select the correct option. A dash is a simple closed figure in which all points lie at the same distance from a fixed point. Right? Here is a circle is a simple closed figure in which all points lie at the same distance from a fixed point. Right? If you take the center point, all the points on the circle will lie at the same distance. So a circle is a simple closed figure in which all points lie at the same distance from a fixed point. Second one, if the side of a square is 13 centimeter, then its perimeter is. You have to find its perimeter. Side is given. Perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side is equal to 4 into 13 is equal to 52 centimeter. 52 centimeter. Net of a cuboid has dash faces. How many faces in which pair of opposite faces are S? Now net of a cuboid has 6 faces in which pair of opposite faces are identical. Identical. Net of a cuboid has 6 faces in which pair of opposite faces are identical. Now the option C is correct. Now coming on to question number 28. Study the given figure and answer the following questions. How many lines of symmetry does the given figure have? Has only one line of symmetry. It will be having only one line of symmetry. If we draw, it will have one. What is the minimum number of straight lines required to draw the given figure? How much straight lines are required? Right? Straight lines, how much we have to calculate all these straight lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total we have to find. This comes out to be 17 lines. So the option A is correct for it. Now coming on to question number 929. The given figure not drawn to scale is made up of a rectangle, a square and a triangle. Find the perimeter of the figure. The perimeter of the figure you have to calculate or add all these. It will become you have to add all these 9 centimeter, 4 centimeter. You will do 7 plus 4 plus 9 plus 15 plus 12 plus 9 plus 5 plus 7 plus this will be total 18 is equal to 86 is equal to 86 centimeter. The perimeter will come out to be 86 centimeter. Option D is correct. Now question number 30. Arjun places 4 identical rectangles one above the other lengthwise. The perimeter of the whole figure thus formed is 120 centimeter. If the length of each rectangle is 2 times its breadth, then find the length and breadth respectively of each rectangle. You have to find length and breadth of each one. He places 4 identical rectangles one above the other, lengthwise, like this. 4, one above the other. Now perimeter of whole figure will be length, length, and this will be breadth, 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 breadth. This will be 4 times of breadth, 4 breadth plus this length, length plus 4b. This is the 4b also. This will be the perimeter is equal to twice of length plus 8b is equal to twice into 2b plus 8b is equal to perimeter of whole figure 120. Thus formed, the perimeter of whole figure is given 120 centimeter is given. So 12b is equal to 120, then b is equal to 10 centimeter, breadth is 10 centimeter. Now find the length. Length is twice of breadth. 2 into 10, it comes out to be 20 centimeter. So length is 20 centimeter, length is 20 centimeter and breadth is 10 centimeter. Option A is correct, right? He placed one above the other, so this will be the perimeter and it will be length is 20 and breadth is 10 centimeter. Option A is correct. So this is the part 3 of geometry for class 4. I hope you like the video and don't forget to like, share, subscribe to Fun Learning with Kanika for more such videos. Thank you.